I'm going to unbox and demonstrate this Kingjue professional tripod. And this is a paid sponsored video. Oh, this is neat. Look at this. It looks like you can put your phone on this. So this is literally a phone mount for this specific tripod. It looks like it comes in a case, and look, that's only about a foot, maybe 18 inches max long, and that's folded up. You get your Kingjue instruction manual for the tripod. What? Is this something you can link up to your camera and like take pictures? That's cool, like a little camera trigger. I don't know if that's what that is, but we'll find out. Oh, look at that. There's your Kingjue tripod right there. And that's very cool because it can stand really low. It's smaller than I thought it would be. There you go. How neat is that? Oh, what I do like about it is it has like these little flip levers so you can just slide out and in and just close it up. That is cool. I always love that kind of thing instead of the hydraulic things. Still little twisty things. Okay, so this looks like a pretty cool tripod overall. You've got your little mounting plate up here. Actually, there's not an actual plate. It looks like you just got to screw it in from the bottom here. So you literally just screw this phone plate in. So there's that Kingjue tripod right there. All right, so here's the Kingjue tripod, and you can see that I've got it extended as far up as it can go, except I still can extend this even farther. If you look right here, I've got a phone mounted on it, and I've adjusted to look down the road right there, and I can make those adjustments using this, and it attaches from here. Here's something that I discovered while I was doing this. This can hold a tablet also, so that is super cool. I'm gonna put that on there and show you that as well. Okay, as you see, I have this thing extended about 5 feet right there. That's the maximum height, the 60 inches. I've got an iPad on this, so that's pretty cool looking down the street. And so you can attach a phone and an iPad to this. Also, you can mount a camera on this tripod, this Kingjue tripod, pretty easily. This comes with your standard mounting. Also, if you need to use an adapter on that mounting screw, you can, but pretty easy to mount a camera on there. And so as you've seen, mounted a phone, a camera, and an iPad. This is the Kingjue tripod. So the Kingjue tripod also comes with this little camera shutter that you can shutter remotely and turn that on and sync that with the wireless or Bluetooth, and then you can take the picture from here. So if you're doing family pictures, that'd be a really cool thing to have. Okay, there's that Kingjue tripod. As you can see, you can mount your iPad right there, mount your phone right there. This little lever right there will allow you to adjust left to right. This one will go forward and back like that, tighten that up. And also you can loosen this to spin it. And this one right here, you can loosen to raise the middle neck of this up and down. And then of course, right down here for the feet, it's got 3 different little latches. You can just pop these open so that you can extend that, and then you can lock that in place. So that is the Kingjue tripod, and that is for photography equipment.